Hello everyone, today we got another video and we're gonna unbox the Brother printer HL3140CW. This is a color printer and it's compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8, with Mac. You can have on Mac AirPrint and Universal. Also, the printer is wireless, so you can connect for your Wi-Fi. You got a USB high-speed socket, and you got 18 page per minute printing, and you can connect with your mobile phone too. So let's start by unboxing this printer. Inside the box we got a CD and some manuals, drivers for Brother printer, some installation instruction, product safety guide and wireless connection, registering, warranty. Then we got a quick setup starting guide. Inside the box we got power cable. Now I'm just gonna reveal the printer itself. So there you go guys, a very heavy printer from Brother. And now let's see what the product specification are. A wireless printer, and you can fit the paperwork in here up to 250 pages. Here we got another feed if you want to do it page by page. I love doing this. Here we got the tuners. You got yellow, magenta, cyan and black. And here we go the buttons. So we got go button, we got cancel button, we got secure button, OK button, plus minus button, back button and power button. We have a small display here, and here we have got two LEDs for data and error. On the back of the printer we got USB port and power port, and that's it. So there is guys, this is the wireless color printer from Brother. You can print 18 pages per minute, color or black. You can print with the cartridge up to 2200 pages. You can feed 250 pages on the feeder. And join me next time for the review video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share it on social media. I see you soon.